Welcome to the Frontier Learning Series. In this series, I'm going to show you how to build automated trading strategy. You might be wondering, why do I want to build automated trading strategy? I'm going to give you the short answer today. If you're familiar with mutual funds, ETF, or hedge funds, these are popular products used to hold baskets of assets which help manage the volatility of your investment and achieve consistent returns. Guess what? They use automated trading strategy. That's because it's easier to manage larger baskets of assets. You get more consistent trading execution while taking emotions out of the equation. The most important reason, you can take advantage of new opportunities that you normally can't do with manual trading. For example, you can use machine learning. The possibilities are endless. It used to take a whole team of people to build automated trading strategy. Now it just takes one person and access to the right software to build them. In the future, you can operate your own multi-million-dollar funds. Sounds good? Let's get started. For all of our tutorials, we will be using Python as the language and Frontier research platform. It's free to use and there's no software to install, and you can access anytime, anywhere, directly from your browser from quantafrontier.com. Let's click on New Algorithm. In the left panel is where you can write the Python code. On the right, you can get useful metrics for how well your strategy is doing, the price chart, and the weight of your portfolio. Next, you can get the metrics for your algorithm and another tab for your output to inspect and help debug the program. Every program starts with a config. The config here defines the assets you're interested in trading and the base currency, and a look back which tells the system how many days you're interested in before trading. The next thing is the new frontier function and the context. The new frontier function defines what your strategy does. Here we just have a simple strategy that essentially does nothing for now. We're going to build a trend following moving average strategy. The idea behind is a trend following strategy is when you have an uptrend signal, you buy. When you have a downtrend signal, you sell. Moving average is a lagging indicator that averages the recent end prices. So let's calculate it now. First, we'll get the price from the context. Here we get the closing price. Next, we're going to calculate the moving average, which is the price rolling window of, say, the past 10 days, and calculate the average. Because we're using pandas, it's super easy to calculate this moving average. So let's print the data and see what it looks like. Here we get the most recent data. Click Run. As you can see, we see some prices printed out here. What's better is we can chart this, so we can visualize this. Here we can add the price overlay of the moving average. Click Run again. So if we look at the price chart here, we see the overlay, which is the dotted line. Here we see the price going above the moving average. This is definitely a signal to buy. So we would buy from here up to here until the price dropped below the moving average. That's when you would sell, and you keep in a sell position until you get a buy signal again here. So here you get a small buy signal and you sell again. That's it. So let's calculate this sell signal. So we'll call it sig whenever the price is greater than moving average. This would evaluate to true, which is a buy signal. Here we're going to change, feed it into the algorithm or strategy. So we're going to pass in the signal. Let's click run again. So the blue line here is the performance of your algorithm, and the black line is the performance of just holding BTC. So as you can see, that with a simple strategy like this, you can outperform just holding BTC. This is just the beginning. You can experiment more yourself. You could try shorter period or longer moving average periods, different assets, different moving average algorithms like exponential moving average, Bollinger Bands, and many others. Head over to our Quanta forums to get more ideas. That's all for today. If you like this, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.